Hello guys, welcome back. This is MotoIB. So today I had like family errands to do and I had a party to go to, so I'm leaving now. It was my nephew's birthday party and my brother's family, so they're leaving to Texas. My brother got a great opportunity for a career over there, so they're closing off their house in Illinois. They already have someone to buy the house, and they already have a house in mind in Texas. So overall, this will be the final week with my brother here. He's moving on, moving to great places, so hopefully I can do a vlog someday going there. That's going to be an 8-hour trip, and that's not a big deal. Oh man, that was a close one. Oh, did not see that stop sign. Holy crap. But yeah, that was a big scare. I've never been over here in this part of the woods. I'm pretty much in the border of Wisconsin and Illinois, wherever the party was at one of the family relatives' house. So it's an hour away from me. So I got an hour going home, and it looks like it's gonna rain. But yeah, what I was saying, yeah, he's moving out to a great place. Saw the house, awesome house. So hopefully I can see the house and go see them again one day. But yep, everybody has to move on. So, oh geez, it's getting little droplets on my windshield. But hopefully it will not downpour. I know it said 20% chance of rain, so hopefully it should be not too bad. It is an hour commute for me, so it should be relaxing. So guys, about the channel and the content, what do you think? Let me know. I'm trying to improve the quality, the editing. I know the editing take me a while. It takes me a long time because of my job, a full-time job. Then I got the channel to do. So overall, whenever I have time to edit, I'm usually at work, and when I'm off, I do some editing, but it takes me a while. It's a learning process. So, but hopefully the next video I got out that I'm thinking, and I'm already planning how to shoot it. It should be good. Hopefully it won't take me too long, but I'm not making no promises, but I'm guessing it might take me at least a month. But so I'm gonna probably have a small little series of videos of the fairings, the pieces of the R3 up to 2018 are the same, but the 2019 are different kind of fairings. Yeah, so the series is going to be about showing individual pieces, how to take them off. So it's just like one piece at a time, and show how the process is. And if people want to see how to reinstall them, yeah, I could do that too. So it's going to take me probably a few videos to record, edit, so I can cut it down to just individual pieces and upload it, and then record again to show how to install the said piece. So But yeah guys, you can see the views here. It's pretty much farms. All right, I'll be quiet. I'll put some music in the background and hopefully you guys enjoy my my ride. All right guys, enjoy. So guys, so right now I'm passing Six Flags right there guys. So I'm way up north, but yep, I still have 30 more minutes on my commute right now. So alright guys, hopefully that you're enjoying this vlog. Alright guys, back onto the trip and to the music. Ooh, it's starting to rain more. Alright guys, so right now I'm coming in to the end of my road. I'm gonna stop by the grocery store, get some stuff, then head home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the rest of the music, whatever music I put in. And the this type of vlog, just a little bit of talking and just enjoying the scenery. So it's not too bad of a day. Over here it's not rainy. We did go to a rainy spot and it died down, and right now it's really not raining, but it's really overcasted. But yeah guys, alright guys, I finished my errands. I decided to come to Walmart. It's the closest. But yeah, alright. Let's get out of this freaking parking lot and back home. For a Sunday afternoon. It is a busy road. It is one of the busy roads. So hopefully that shouldn't take too long. I believe the GoPro is about to die, so. Alright guys, I'm arriving at my destination. So I will leave you guys here. And yeah, go home, relax. I'll do some cardio. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoy this. I will talk to you guys later. Peace out.